Now to take a look at your full storm tracker forecast tonight.
Let's go to News 10 ABC meteorologist Rob Lindenmuth on this muggy Monday, Rob.
Very muggy out there, and from some of the mugginess, we are tracking some very heavy rainfall, in particular south of Albany this evening, and that's where it is a little bit of a mess, especially as you get down towards Saugerties, Kingston, southern Berkshires. That's where we've got flash flood warnings now in effect. Some of that heavy rain, basically from Ancrum over towards Sheffield and over towards Beckett, Massachusetts as well. So we're going to zoom in just a little bit. Thankfully, the rain from Saugerties down towards Kingston is letting up. It's not as heavy as what it was a little while ago, but they do still have that flash flood warning in effect for those areas until 8 o'clock. So northern Dutchess, northern Ulster counties likely due to all of that runoff. This is radar estimated rainfall over the last 3 hours. Sometimes this does tend to be a little hot, but it gives you an idea where the heaviest rain has fallen, and that's basically just east of Woodstock, just north of Ruby, and southwest of Saugerties, and that is depicting close to 5 inches of rain over the last 3 hours. Then we've got flash flood warnings now in effect in the Berkshires. This one in particular near Beckett, just north of Otis. This goes into effect until just after 9 p.m. Same thing for the one through the southern Berkshires from Brookside towards Sheffield over towards Sandusfield. Those are the areas where some very heavy rain is falling right now. And similarly, over the last 3 hours, we're seeing 2 to 3 inches of rain just northeast of Otis to Beckett. And then down towards Sheffield is another pocket where we're seeing 2 to upwards of close to 5 inches of radar estimated rainfall. So significant rain out there this evening eventually will give way to partly clear skies overnight tonight. So watch for some patchy dense fog, especially where the rain has been heaviest. Checking in with the News 10 weather watchers this evening. Queensbury 83, Indian Lake 78, Corinth at 83, 88 Fort Edward, not a drop of rain up there today. Hebron at 83, a little closer to the capital region, Galway 81, 85 at Amsterdam, Fonda 84, Hessville 81, Gloversville at 80, Sarah checking in up in Northville at 82, Schenectady at 84. Off to the east of the Hudson Valley, Hoosick Falls 83, 80 in Grafton, Adams 78, East Nassau 80, and Pittsfield at 81. South of Albany, East Chatham, Janet Ostrander says 80 degrees. She counted 27 raindrops. That was it. They missed out on some of the heavy rain there. That was unfortunately just to the south. Coxsackie at 74, 70 at Red Hook, 73 in Windham, and 75 in Summit. So all of us are under the gun for showers, maybe some thunderstorms, but in particular, it's Albany south and east. That's where we've been focusing on all afternoon, now evening long. That's where we've got the highest flood risk. In fact, just north of New York City, significant flooding occurring with multiple flash flood warnings now. Drier air, though, for Tuesday as high pressure builds back on in. Just the smallest chance of an isolated shower by Tuesday afternoon. Here's Futurecast. There's the rain for the next couple of hours. Then we're drying things out into early tomorrow morning. Again, watch for some patchy dense fog. During the day tomorrow, partly sunny. An isolated shower to the south. We'll start the day with some sunshine on Wednesday. Then the clouds will tend to move on in, and late in the day has the better chance for a few more showers in the mix. For tonight, we're down to 71. Evening storms, any rain that does fall will be locally heavy. Drying out overnight with patchy areas of fog. Tomorrow, 90, brighter through the afternoon as well. Warm, still a little bit humid, a little less than today though. Early sun on Wednesday, afternoon showers near 90, 88 with showers and storms Thursday. Leftover shower Friday morning, and then partly sunny 83. Beautiful Saturday, low humidity 83. Humid, maybe a shower on Sunday 85, and then a couple of showers with temperatures back to the low 80s by early next week. Back to you guys.